Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage mentions and tags on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How you can manage mentions and tags on TikTok. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you have to click on notifications here. You can see here mentions and tag. You can turn it on and off in this way. If you need that mentions and tags are allowed and people mention and tag you in a video, then you can turn it on. If you don't like this, you turn it off. By turning it on and off, you can manage mentions and tags on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.